Hi everyone, today I will explain the activity on effect of manure and fertilizer on seedlings. The materials required for this experiment are some gram seeds, soil, little manure, fertilizer, disposable 3 plastic glasses, water. I used loamy soil here. The manure is made at home by mixing cow dung, cake and hay with soil. Fertilizer is urea and water is required for watering the plants regularly. Three plastic cups are taken, added equal amount of soil in each and marked set A, set B, set C respectively. No manure or fertilizer is added in the set A. Manure is added in the set B. Fertilizer is added in the set C. Then some gram seeds are taken, soaked in water. Within 2 or 3 days, it will sprout. First, the root, the brown part, will come out. Then, the shoot or plumule, the green part, will come out. The root is called radicle, the shoot is called plumule. The sprouted seedlings are sown in each of these sets and kept at a place having conditions suitable for germination, like air, water, sunlight, temperature. It is preferred to keep it in a hot and humid place. We observe that the seeds germinate within the next few days. The growth rate of seeds in fertilizer containing soil in set C is more than the set B. The growth rate of seeds in set A is minimum. In set A, there is neither manure nor fertilizer added in the soil to facilitate the growth of the seedlings, except the natural nutrients that are present in soil. In set B, there is manure added in this soil. We know manure is an organic matter containing humus. It provides essential nutrients to the soil and has better water retention capacity. It improves the water retention capacity of the soil. Manures are also called organic fertilizers. In set C, there is fertilizers added in the soil. These fertilizers facilitate the growth and increases the growth rate best as compared to set A and set B because each provides specific nutrients like potassium, nitrogen, etc. for the growth of the seedlings. That is why fertilizers are added in the crops to increase their yield. The same thing is depicted in my school project, that the manure added soil have shown the better growth than set A because in set B manure is added which makes the soil fertile than the set A. And in set C, we can see the same thing. Seedlings growing in fertilizer added soil grows the best as compared to manure added soil and ordinary soil. Though fertilizers like NPK, urea, ammonium sulfate, superphosphate, potash and manures like green manures, animal manures and wood ashes make the soil fertile for the crops to grow. The excessive use of fertilizers can be harmful because it can change the chemical nature of the soil by making the soil highly acidic or highly alkaline, which in turn makes the soil less fertile. It may cause biomagnification in the bodies of organisms. It also causes water pollution when it goes by the surface runoff of water in the fields and mixes in the water bodies. Therefore, we should always substitute some fertilizers with some organic manures or leave the field fallow or uncultivated for some time. In this way, the fertility of the soil is restored naturally. The main differences between manures and fertilizers are: a manure is a natural substance obtained by the decomposition of animal waste
and plant residues.
but a fertilizer is a salt or an organic compound. A manure is not very rich in essential plant nutrients, but fertilizers are very rich in plant nutrients. A manure provides a lot of organic matter to the soil, but a fertilizer does not provide any humus or organic matter to the soil.
Hope you liked this video.
Thank you. Bye bye.